What's up, y'all? I'm Queen. Welcome to my channel, Cute Soul Food. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and comment. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe, hit your notification bell, become part of the loyal family. We have nothing but love over here, and we keeps it real. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. Hopefully I can sprinkle a little positivity into your day. Even if it has been good, it can always be even better. We can never get enough of the positivity around here. Y'all, I have some gumbo today. This is chicken, sausage, shrimp, and I have some crab back here too. And then I have some garlic bread off to the side. Y'all, we just gonna eat. The recipe for this gumbo will be in the description box below. That's one of the very first few recipes I put on here when I started. Whew. Excuse me. Pepsi gang, like it up. Y'all, this is just regular frozen garlic bread. I added some pepper jack cheese. And some mozzarella. Ooh. I don't even know if I can get y'all a close up. Let me put this plate in front. I couldn't wait for it to get a little bit colder down here so I can make some gumbo, y'all. Y'all, with me being from a cold weather state, I could say one of the best things about when that cold weather roll around is those meals. Some of the best, heartiest meals. It got the right little spice to it. Y'all, I got the big shrimps and the little shrimps in here. Oh, good thing I got a plate there. Do y'all eat gumbo? Have y'all ever had gumbo? Y'all, I guess I just came here to eat today and make sure y'all was doing okay. Not much talking today. We got something good like this. I actually have okra in mine. I know a lot of people don't be caring for okra. Oh man, I should have grabbed another piece of crab. Should have put another little leg in there. Just like that, baby. Y'all, my itis is kicking in already. Your girl finna be sleep in the food. Oh my goodness. Whew. The Pepsi not even waking me up. This it's gonna be an early night tonight. Hello. And I am okay with it. This the type of meal everybody going to sleep tonight. Y'all, your girl is about to tap out. I'm ready to go to sleep right now. That itis kicked in quick. Whew. Yeah, gumbo is so good. I'm gonna have to look when I'm editing. And then my face changed throughout eating this bowl because my body did. My body is on slump mode, y'all. So good, y'all. Check this recipe out. It will be in the description box below. This is the same exact recipe, nothing different. Not one thing, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know I didn't talk much to y'all, but I hope y'all enjoyed watching me tear down this gumbo because it was good. It sure was. Excuse me. Whew. But y'all, go ahead and check that recipe out. I hope you guys are doing good. For real, for real. Let me know in the comments how you guys are doing. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and comment if you enjoyed the video. If you're new, you might as well subscribe and join the loyal family. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Goodbye.